you could get a phone that not only has the latest and most powerful processor on the market, but also has a built-in actively flowing liquid cooling system to make sure that power never ever slows down. That's the promise of the Redmagic 11 Pro. Right out of the box, the Redmagic 11 Pro makes a statement. You get the phone itself, an 80-watt fast charger, a USB cable, and a protective case. Now let's talk design. This is one of the most unique looking phones you can buy. The transparent Night Freeze and Sub-Zero versions let you see right inside, showcasing the internal structure and that revolutionary liquid cooling loop. The build quality is premium, with a glass back and an aluminum alloy frame. A huge win for gamers is the completely flat back with no camera bump. This means it sits perfectly flat on a table with no wobble, which is a godsend for long gaming sessions. You've got the customizable RGB lighting, the physical 520Hz shoulder triggers, the air intake for the fan, and a feature that's become sadly rare, a 3.5mm headphone jack. It also carries an IPX8 water resistance rating, which is impressive for a phone with a built-in fan. This is the party piece. The AquaCore Cooling System is the world's first mass-produced flowing liquid cooling in a smartphone. It uses a non-conductive fluorinated liquid that circulates through laser-cut microchannels to pull heat away from the core components. This isn't just for show. It works in concert with Liquid Metal 3.0, the industry's largest vapor chamber, and a turbofan that spins at a mind-blowing 24,000 RPM. The sole purpose is to prevent thermal throttling, which we'll test right after this. Now, the cameras. Let's be real, you don't buy a gaming phone for its photography skills. But the Redmagic 11 Pro is surprisingly competent. The dual 50-megapixel main and ultra-wide cameras take sharp, vibrant photos in good light. The 50-megapixel main sensor has OIS, which helps with stability. It's not going to beat a dedicated camera phone from Samsung or Google in every scenario, but it's more than good enough for social media and video calls. And here's some photos example of 50-megapixel main camera. Here's some photos example of 50-megapixel ultra-wide angle camera. The front is dominated by a stunning 6.85-inch AMOLED display. It's a full-screen experience with no notch and no punch hole because the 16-megapixel selfie camera is hidden underneath the screen. The specs are top tier, a 144Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth visuals, a 2688 by 1216 resolution, and a crazy high 1800 nits peak brightness for great outdoor visibility. For gamers, the 3000Hz instant touch sampling rate is a massive advantage, making your controls feel instantaneous. For audio, the dual speakers provide a solid and immersive experience, and again, that headphone jack is there for zero latency, high quality audio. Now for the main event, performance. This thing is an absolute monster. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, and you can get it with up to 24GB of LPDDR5T RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.1 storage. But raw power is nothing without sustained performance. I played Genshin Impact at max settings for over an hour, and this is where the cooling system earns its keep. While other phones would start to stutter and drop frames, the Redmagic 11 Pro held a rock-solid frame rate with minimal variance. Powering all this is a massive 7500 mAh battery. In my testing, it easily delivered over 7 hours of heavy gaming and well over a day of mixed use. When you need to recharge, it supports 80 watts wired and wireless charging. Let's talk about pros and cons. Pros 1. Revolutionary cooling. The active liquid cooling system is a game changer for sustained performance. Pros 2. No compromise performance. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 with massive RAM options. Pros 3. Gaming focused features. 520Hz triggers, 3.5mm jack, and a flawless 144Hz display. Pros 4. Excellent battery life. The 7500 mAh battery is a workhorse. Let's talk about cons. Cons 1. Gamer aesthetic. The bold, transparent design might not be for everyone. Cons 2. Cameras are good, not great. They get the job done but can't top the imaging flagships. Cons 3. Software. Redmagic OS is functional but can feel a bit cluttered compared to stock Android. So, who is the Redmagic 11 Pro for? If you are a serious mobile gamer who values performance above all else, this is quite possibly the most powerful and consistent gaming phone you can buy in 2025. The cooling system, however, if you're a casual user who just wants a good all-around phone and doesn't play many demanding games, a more traditional flagship might be a better fit, but for its target audience, the Redmagic 11 Pro is an absolute powerhouse that completely delivers on it. What do you think? Is the Redmagic 11 Pro the ultimate gaming phone? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.